Next topic is element of digital communication system. The elements of digital communication. Various elements are elements of this digital communication system. Digital means the information is changed into the continuous signal into discrete them by using sampling. Then we have to after conversion of digital to transmitting it through a long distance from the communication from source to the destination. Then we have to modulate the different techniques. The modulation of these techniques, modulation of these techniques, modulation of this technique communication system. System is nothing but give some input, do the something process, some processing and get the desired output is called as the system. Then we have to go to the basic understanding of the basic block diagrams. We have to see that how to understand. First components are different components are there. First we have to give into the source to the system. After first block is converted into input as a transducer and converted into analog to digital converter. The next block is goes to the source encoder, and the third block is goes to the represents channel encoder, and next block is digital modulator. The digital modulator is converting from either and digital to analog converter. Previously we had converted into analog to digital, and the digital modulator were converted into digital to analog. Then next block is going to physical medium through a channel. That channel will be get after channel, this will be a basically transmitting end. The four blocks are required transmitting block. After we have to give into the channel that a physical medium like copper wire or normal wire and connecting, and also OFC cables, and also connecting the wireless, and also connecting the coaxial cable. Then after channel at the receiving end, four blocks are required, and first block is goes to the at the receiving end digital demodulator. After conversion a cable a physical signal, that is the analog signals, and to converted into digital. Then after we have to go to this channel decoder. The channel after output of this digital demodulator, digital data is given to the output of this given to the channel decoder. Channel decoder output of this data is given to the channel encoder acting as a input data. That after input of the channel decoder decoding the signal, the output of this decoder is given to the source decoder. Output of these values is given to the source encoder, that can be acting as a data as a input to the source decoder. The source decoder output is connected to the transducers. The output we have to get, the output is getting from the source decoder is given to the input of these output devices. That conversion is the data will be in the form of digital data to convert it into analog. Then we have to get the output of the signal is analog, and what is the source we have to transmitting the same signal will be required at this output data. This is the construction about the block diagram of this element of the digital communication system. Next, the following sections of this following section of this digital communication system. The source can be an analog signal, example as a sound signal. The sound signal is basically our some sound will be getting. That sound is given to the some transducer as a input. The transducer is basically is a sensor. The sensor is doing conversion of one form of energy into another form of energy. Here sound signal is converted into electrical signal by transducer. The basically our sound signals are physical in nature. The transducer, input transducer. What is the function of transducer sensor? This transducer is doing taking the physical input converted into electrical signal by using the various devices like basically the transducers is acting as a microphone. Example for sound signal is converted into electrical signal by microphones. Then this block is consisting of an analog to digital converter. The block consisting of analog to digital converter, where the digital signal is needed for feature process. For feature process, the digital signal is generally represented by binary sequence. The digital signal is generally represented by binary signal. First component is first element is source encoder. What is the source encoder is doing? The source encoder is compression of the data into minimum number of bits. And basically continuous signal after trickling the data will be encoding and some encoding the signal, the compressing the data bit to minimum number of bits at zeros and ones. This process helps us to utilizing of the bandwidth. How much bits we have to transmit, that represents of the bandwidth of the data. Next is it removes the redundant. Redundancy means errors will be occur when transmitting to a from source to the destination. Lot of errors. The errors will be existing in the bits. Zeros are unnecessary. Excess of bits, zeros may be occur in the transmission of the data. Next block is channel encoder. What is the channel encoder? Channel encoder does the code for error correction during the transmission of the signal. After some error will be occur, where a lot of errors are there: redundancy errors, parity errors, check bit, longitudinal redundancy bit, cyclic redundancy. These are different types of error correction methods. During the transmission of the signal, we have studied that errors in the previous. Transmission of the signal due to these noises in the channel. The noise will be occur in the most of the channel. The signal may get altered, and hence to avoid this, channel encoder add some redundancy bit to the transmitting data. SAR are the error correcting bits. Add some the data, we have to correct the information. Next block, next component is source encoder. The physically source encoder, and next we have to go to the digital modulator. What after output of this previous block is given to the digital modulator. Digital modulator modulating the characteristics of the signal. The signal can be transmitted and modulated with the carrier to transmit through a longer distance. Here by carriers are high frequency signals. The signal is also converted to analog from the digital sequence. The signal is also converted to analog from the digital sequence in order to make it travel through a channel or medium. The channel, next block is channel. Channel is the medium physical component. The physical component, basically this physically you cannot transmit the digital signal, that is transmitted to the analog signals to transmit from the transmitting end to the receiving end. Most of the channel noises will be added, unwanted signal will be occurring due to the channel, some distortion interference will be occur. The next block is at the these all are the transmitting end, then go to the receiving end. After receiving end, digital modulator, after receiving end we have to get the first block is digital demodulator. Demodulator is first we have to receiving end of the first block. First step, received signal is demodulated as well as converted again from analog to digital. The signal gets reconstructed here. Means after analog signal is converted into digital in the form of demodulated circuit. That's why we have to reconstruct our original information. And to reconstruct our original information, that's why we have to demodulated, decoded the signal, encoded the signal, encrypted the transmitting end. Here we have to decrypted the signal here, that is descripting the signal at the reconstructed signal gets reconstructed here. Modulation as well as converted again analog to digital. The signal gets reconstructed here. Next, channel decoder. The channel decoder, after detecting the sequence of information, does some error correction. The lot of the channel decoder errors will be occur. Error rectify and detect, and again we have to retransmit. Various methods are applicable. We have to study it in later topics, a later chapter. Then distortion will be might occur during the time. Distortion means changes the information. Then we have to corrected the signal by adding some redundancy bits. Some added the bits we have to be corrected and retransmitted the signal. This addition of the bits help to complete recovery of the original signal. It's reconstruct the same signal. And the next block is output of next block is source decoder. Output of the previous block is given to the input to the source decoder. The resultant of the signal once again digitized by the sampling and quantizing, so that the pure digital output is obtained. Output of the losses without the loss of information at the decoder. Source decoder recreates the source output. Another block is output transducer. We have to connect the sensor. Last block of this last stage, we have to last block is given as output transducer. That is converted a signal into the original form and physical form. What we have to transmit analog, that original signal will be reconstructed. This was the input of the transmitter. It converts the electrical signal into physical quantities. That's why it is converted electrical signal into physical output, like example of loudspeaker. That can be the sound or sound will be converted. We have to listen by the ears from the human being, the loudspeaker. This is the basically construction and blocks of elements of these sources. This is basically all of components I have to explain in details here. That is the basic concept of digital elements of digital communication system.